Good morning, my name is Jack. Welcome at the Ruiter Experience Center, the world of high-tech tomatoes. In total we're having 300 varieties over here, grown in high-tech glass. Let's go inside and have a look. So welcome inside the Experience Center. Right now you cannot join due to the corona situation. However, we are happy to invite you with this small virtual tour. We're also happy to invite you face to face next year to tell you about the Ruiter history, about tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers. We're also looking forward to show you the virtual tomato, where that journey from breeding till seed production will be told. And we are happy to inform you on how the research and development within the Ruiter to check for new genetics is being prepared. In here we are at the Ruiter market. In total 40 varieties will be found on the shelf. These will be the key focus varieties globally. On the right side you will see the cherries and the cocktails. On the other side you will see the beef tomatoes and the large truss tomatoes. What we also can do in here is provide you with some detailed data. We can prepare some bricks tests or some shelf life tests, in this case for a beef tomato. And that's what we would like to do with Radians and Marlies. In here you will find Radians on the shelf next to Marlies. Radians is our new medium truss tomato that was introduced last year. It's a 130 or 135 gram fruit that's pruned on 6 fruits. Besides that you will see Marlies, the most popular large truss variety at the moment, grown globally all over the place. And if you would like to see the exact differences, then you will find 2 trusses in my hand. This truss will be Radians, 135 grams, pruned on 6 fruits. This will be Marlies, 150 grams, pruned on 5 fruits. And these are the genetics that we would like to offer you as the Ruiter. So I just sliced the Marlies and the Radians, and I would like to do a bricks test. So I'm taking the Radians at first. I'm going to have a few drips on the bricks meter. Press start. And right now the bricks of Radians is coming up at 4.6. If we're going to do a same test with Marlies, then I will take this fruit. I will have some drops. And I will press start. Then Marlies is going to appear with a bricks of 4.1. That's a difference of 0.5 bricks or 15% increase. That's the difference between Radians and Marlies. And for sure, if you're going to have these figures in Hungary, you will find higher light intensities with a different climate, including higher bricks levels. So that's a little difference on Marlies and Radians regarding bricks. Welcome in the Ruiter Experience Center. Over here you will find a 1 hectare high-tech glasshouse. 1/3 would be artificial light, 2/3 will be traditional. We are in the traditional greenhouse right now. I'm standing next to Radians. Let's have a closer look. So in here you will find the truss of Radians, pruned on 6 fruits, deep red color. And Radians is let's say, it's a strong crop. It's a pretty vegetative crop with long leaves. Therefore it's demanding high light circumstances that can be offered in the Hungarian region. You'll find a 135 average fruit weight. You will see a plant which is also easy to balance. Compared to, for example, Marlies, you will find half a truss extra as in plant load. That's negative, but because it's a strong plant type, the plant can handle that pretty easily. Deleafing is crucial. Always make sure that the last 3 trusses that are turning red, that they are being deleafed to ensure the faster ripening process. The crop itself, it's growing straight up to the wire. So if you're going to do the turning and twisting, that goes pretty easy. You will not see any broken heads because it grows straight up to the wire. And that's a little bit on the feedback for Radiance. So right here we will be at the Marlies. Let's go inside and have a check on it. This will be our Marlies fruit. Right now this will probably weigh around 170 grams. It's really huge at the moment during the highlight circumstances in August in the Netherlands. Compared to Radiance, you will see a short plant type, which is pretty efficient in labor. Besides that, we see a high average fruit weight that will eventually lead to a high yield potential. The short plant type makes the labor pretty easy and efficient. Besides that, the powdery mildew resistance is key for Marlies. And next to that, it's grown all over the place. It's a proven track record, and growers in Russia, in the US, Canada, Australia, the Netherlands, but also Central Europe love to grow Marlies because it's a safe variety to grow and you are almost sure for the highest yield that you can have at the moment for high-tech class in the year 2020. That's Marlies. Thank you for watching and see you next time in the Experience Center face-to-face. Bye-bye.